अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या हाल चाल है दोस्तों। उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। मेरा नाम है मोहम्मद मुजाहिद। आप देख रहे हैं हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल स्पोर्ट्स एंड नॉलेज वर्ल्ड। जी दोस्तों, आज SPSC सिंध पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन में जो पेपर हुआ है जी, SST साइंस का मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट का ये पेपर है जी। मुकम्मल टाइप किया है हमने इसको कंप्यूटर के ऊपर, वाजे किया आपके लिए। उसके अलावा हाईलाइट किए हैं जी जो दुरुस्त आंसर थे। इसमें किसी किस्म की कंफ्यूजन हो तो आप उसको वेरीफाई करें, हमें भी कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर आगाह करना है जी। सबसे पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है जी, हमने 2-3 घंटे की मेहनत की इस पेपर के ऊपर। अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। ताज़ा तरीन नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस करिए। वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करना है, कमेंट्स में हमें अपनी राय से जरूर आगाह करना है। जी दोस्तों, सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है साइन स्क्वायर थीटा डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू। दुरुस्त जवाब है जी ऑप्शन बी 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा डिवाइडेड बाई 2। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है जी एक्स डिवाइडेड बाई इंटू एक्स प्लस 2 इंटू एक्स माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू। दुरुस्त जवाब है जी ऑप्शन बी 2 डिवाइडेड बाई 5 इंटू एक्स प्लस 2 प्लस 3 डिवाइडेड बाई 5 इंटू एक्स माइनस 3। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है दोस्तों एक्स प्लस 2 होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर 2 प्लस 4x plus 4 is दुरुस्त जवाब is option D an equation. Question number 4, if y is an image of x under the function f, we write it as दुरुस्त जवाब is option C, y is equal to f into x. Question number 5, equations x is equal to 3 cos and y is equal to 3 sin theta represent the equation of दुरुस्त जवाब is option B circle. Question number 6, uh, if c 12 power n is equal to C6 power n, then the value of n is truth jawab is option D 18. Question number 7, the value of Cn power 10 multiply by C3 power n is। तो इसका दुरुस्त जवाब हम आपको कमेंट सेक्शन में दोस्तों आगाह कर देंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, द लेटर ऑफ द चार्ट टेकन all at a time can be written in दुरुस्त जवाब is option D 120 days 120 ways. Every integer is also दुरुस्त जवाब is option D rational number. Question number 10, a fraction in which the degree of the numeration is greater then the degree of denominator is called दुरुस्त जवाब is option B an improper fraction. Question number 11, gravitational potential is always दुरुस्त जवाब is option B negative. Question number 12, nights and cooler in the deserts than in the plains because दुरुस्त जवाब is option A, sand radiates heat more quickly than the earth. Question number 13, radioactivity of uranium was discovered by दुरुस्त जवाब is option B, Becquerel. Question number 14 है long sight defect could be corrected by using lens. दुरुस्त जवाब is option B, convex lens. Question number 15, the SI unit of the charge is दुरुस्त जवाब is option B, coulomb. Question number 16, energy of an electron is an atom is option A, quantized. Question number 17, in dark light depends resistors as option D, both A and B. Question number 18, electrons show diffraction effects because their Broglie wavelength is similar to option A, spacing between atomic layers. Question number 19, a stone whirling in a horizontal circle on the end of string depicts Truth option A, conical pendulum. Question number 20, wavelength of slow moving neutrons is about. Truth option D. Question number 21, which of the following signaling is involved in practicing signaling? Option A, chemical signaling. Question 22, which of the following signal molecules does not interact with cell surface receptors? दुरुस्त जवाब है दोस्तों इसका ऑप्शन डी, टेस्ट्रो टेस्टोस टेस्टोस्टेरोन. Question number 23, Lyme disease is transmitted to human through दुरुस्त जवाब option D, none of the above. Question 24, the 1918 pandemic is called the Spanish flu was caused by. Question A, H1N1 influenza A virus. Question 25, plants absorb most part of water needed by them through their option B, root hairs. Question number 26, which of the following is not a function of bones? Drusjavaveji option B, production of blood cells. Question 27, people living in high altitude like mountain usually have a Drusjava option B, larger number of red blood cells. Question 28, the idea that plants need essential minerals was first proposed by Through joy option C, Arnon and Stout. Question 29. Energy gained during aerobic respiration is times more than anaerobic respiration. Through joy option C, 19. Question 30. Glycolysis is also known as through joy option A, EMP pathway. Question 31. Choose the correct spelling from the following. Dhruv jawab है option B, ETIQUE Question 32. The miser gazed at the pile of gold coins in front of him. Dhruv option B, admiringly. Question number 33. Place where birds are kept is known as Ruchava option B, aviary. Question 34. The sound produced by the noise is called option B, Ruchava Ni. Question 35. Change the sentence from direct to indirect speech. The doctor says it is better you undergo surgery. Ruchava option B. The doctor says that it is a better I undergo a surgery the following week. Question 36. What is the meaning of the idiom to have an axe to grind? Dhruv option A, private and to serve. Question 37. Detect the error because of the cricket tournament organizing work hardly I have had any rest since. Dhruv is option C, have had any. Question 38. To put one's hand to plough means Dhruv is option B, to take a difficult task. Question 39. Choose the word that is spelled correctly. Dhruv is option A, parliamentarian के दुरुस्त spelling है PARLIAMENTARIAN. Question 40. One word substitution. One who specialized in the study of birds. Dhruv option A. Question 41. The enzyme carbonic anhydrase is used in Dhruv जवाब है जी इसका भी option A. Question number 42. Halogens react with hydrogen gas to form. Dhruv जवाब है option D, none of the above. Question 43. Complete transform of one or more electrons from one atom is different from atoms forms. Through जवाब है option A, ionic bonds. Question 44. Pair and outer shell electron not used in bonding are called as. Dhruv जवाब है option D, lone pairs. Question 45. The pH of the buffer solution depends upon the concentration of. Dhruv जवाब है option D. Question 46. pH can be kept constant with the help of. Through option C, buffer solution. Question 47. When salt is added to the pure water, its boiling point. Through option A, increase. Question 48. About how many elements in the periodic table are metals? Dhruv option D, 75%. Question number 49. Isto- Isotopes are atoms of the same element with different numbers of. Dhruv option C, neutrons. 50. What is true about nylon? Dhruv option C, it is a polyamide. जी दोस्तों अब आपके साथ शेयर करते हैं जी कंप्यूटर का पेपर. What is the total number of quantification available in artificial intelligence? Dhruv जवाब है option B, 2. Question 22 है जी which of the following is not an example of DBMS? Dhruv जवाब option D, Google. 23 which of the following should be microcontroller at least should consist of? Dhruv जवाब option D, CPU, RAM, ROM, IO ports and timers. Question 25. The user IDs can be added to remove using which of the following fixed role? Dhruv जवाब option B, DB access admin. Question 26. What is the name of artificial intelligence which allows machines to handle vague information with a deftness that mimics human? True option C, physiologic. Question 27. What is the primary purpose of a scattered plot in EDA? Dhruv option B, to visualize relationship between variables. Question number 28. What operate test column for absence of date? Dhruv option C is null operator. Question 29. What is incorrect about structural design? Dhruv option is structural design introduce notations and heuristics. सबसे आखिरी क्वेश्चन है दोस्तों 30. रिक्वेस्ट है अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हमारी इस मेहनत को देखते हुए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना है दोस्तों. What SQL command can be used to delete column from the table? Dhruv option C, alter table, table name, drop column name. जी दोस्तों ये था आज का पेपर. इस तरह के मजीद भी आपके साथ वीडियो शेयर करते रहेंगे. आपसे इजाजत चाहेंगे जी. अल्लाह आप सबको हामी और नासिर हो. अल्लाह हाफिज.